This video will show you how to add mortgage interest in TurboTax step by step. If you own a home, your lender will usually send you a Form 1098, which shows how much mortgage interest you paid during the year. Inside TurboTax, go to Deductions and Credits, then find the section for your home and select Mortgage Interest. From there, you can either import your 1098 form directly or enter the details manually. Just follow the prompts, enter the lender information, and make sure the numbers match your form exactly. TurboTax will automatically apply the deduction if you qualify and help lower your taxable income. Once you're done, review everything and continue filing like normal. Follow for more simple tutorials like this.